Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. I apologize because this isn't the most exciting unboxing, but I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the item, wants to know what does it look like when it comes in, etc. These are the tree and shrub fertilizer stakes from Miracle-Gro. I like just showing the packaging in case you're thinking about ordering the item. You want to make sure that what you're looking at is what's going to be delivered. Let's see if I can get you a view of the back. Some of the information, some of the ingredients, directions for use. So Miracle-Gro sells a few different versions of this. This is just for tree and shrub. They also sell for citrus trees, flowering trees, etc. Comes with 12 spikes. I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll go ahead, because I'm getting ready to put these in my yard anyway, go ahead and open it so you can see what the spikes look like. I'm trying to be careful here because I don't know how big of a mess it's going to make. On the inside you basically get a cardboard box. The box appears to be glued, sealed. There we go. You get a couple of these plastic pieces. What you're going to do is you're going to sit these on top of the stake, and then you're going to use your hammer or mallet to drive these into the ground. This is basically what they're going to look like. These are your fertilizer stakes. So you put the pointed end down, put the plastic piece over the top that's flat, and you hammer it down. Anyway, I'm going to go get these out. You're going to want to put them around your drip line of your tree or shrubs. That's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.